Good morning. I wanted to take 2 minutes to share a thought that keto doesn't always make sense. Understand that keto doesn't always make sense, just like your children. Sometimes you work really hard, you get no return. Sometimes you just mail it in and you get return. It doesn't always make sense. I have had weeks where I have been strict and stuck to it, and I've lost maybe half a pound. And I'm like, but at the same time, it's half a pound. We're on a journey. And then I have days like yesterday where it's unlimited break food. And I ate an obscene amount of lunch. And then I went out to a pizza joint for dinner and I had some steak shawarma. And I had a piece of pizza. It wasn't like an actual piece. I just took the cheese off and ate it. And there was a little bit of sauce on it. We went out to Dave & Buster's. I had a couple cocktails. They were 0 carbs. But I woke up this morning and I didn't even want to step on the scale. I just came to terms with this is just not going to be good. And that's fine. Because I had a great day yesterday and a wonderful day with my husband. And I step on the scale. I'm down 1.5 pounds. What the crap? What in the world? Keto doesn't always make sense. So if you're working and working and working and you're like, cool, I lost a pound this week. Or I stayed the same. I've had weeks where I've stayed the same. I haven't lost an obscene amount, but at the same time, I see this is looking good. Don't give up. And then you might find that one day that you're not trying, you do. So, keto doesn't always make sense. Stay with it. It's a lifestyle. Look up those stories of people who lost their 18 pounds in their 3rd month of keto. You can do this. I believe in you. So, I hope you're having a wonderful morning. Keto, like your children, does not always make sense.